If you're struggling to make any cent online, then you need to watch this video till the end. What if every time you sold a $67 product and you received 50% to 75% of the profits? Well, let's do some quick math. Let's say you are an affiliate for a product, service that sells for $67 and you made $547 sales a week. You could make $940 per month. Now, what if you were selling a product or service at the $97 range and you made $570 sales per week? You could make $1,400 per month. The point I'm making here is that if you want to make a decent income online, you can do so with only a few sales per week, if you follow. Once you set up the system, you will get results even if you decide to stop taking action in the future. If you had a system that told you exactly what you need to do to build a successful affiliate marketing business. I know the biggest problem people have when creating success is not knowing what steps to take that make passive money. I'm sure you know that you need traffic and you need to sell something, but that information is way too broad to lead to specific and profitable action taking. You need someone to hold your hand and show you exactly what to do from the beginning to the end, and that is exactly what I'm going to do for you. Look, there are over 3 billion people using the internet. All you need is a couple of thousand people to see your offers and less than 100 people to buy your offers, and you could have your own successful online business. I've leave a link right below this video, go and check it out. There is no time wasting, no fluff, just a rock-solid method to hit your first $1,000 or even $10,000 a month.